All right, welcome back everyone. All right, so we are going to practice another problem that was similar to the one that you did yesterday or before this. So this time we're finding a common denominator for 2/4 and 1/3, and then we're going to rewrite them using the same denominator. So this one isn't going to be quite as straightforward. So we have 2/4 and we have 1/3. So the question is, between these two denominators, how do I multiply them to find a multiple that they both share in common? So I'm going to have you pause here and see if you can figure out what is a denominator that they would both share in common. So if you need to list factors, you can. And then I want you to see if you can come up with those equivalent fractions on your own. So go ahead and pause. All right, so getting started here, I'm going to go ahead and list my factors here off to the side. So my factors for 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, and I'm going to stop there. And then my factors for 3, I have 3, 6, 9, 12, and right there I'm going to stop because, like hopefully you saw at home, I run into 12 on both sides. So that tells me that I can use 12 as a common denominator. So if I use 12 as a common denominator for 2/4, well, I'm multiplying by 3 on the bottom to get to 12. So I have to do the same thing on the top. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then for 1/3, if I'm trying to get to a 12 on the bottom, that means I have to multiply 3 by 4. I have to do the same thing on the top. So I get 4/12 over here for 1/3. So 6/12 is equivalent to 2/4, and 4/12 is equivalent to 1/3, and those are the two fractions with common denominators.